So on this lesson, we are going to learn about gradient. So when I open a blank presentation under which I'm gonna change the background color or background image as a gradient. So how can we do that? For doing that, we will go to this design option. On that, you can find this format background. So after clicking on this format background, you can see that we got few options, which is solid fill, gradient fill, and we are specifically gonna learn about this gradient fill. After clicking on this gradient fill, you can see that we have 2 points, right? So on this point, you can basically select a color. So let's select a color first. Let's select red color, and our second point, we will use a red color as well. Now it looks totally the same, but what we can do, we can select a point. Let's select the right hand side point and make it transparent a little bit and decrease the brightness, right? And you can see that we have able to create a gradient colors. Now I want to add another color inside it, which would be blue. All right, so on this blue, I can make it transparent. I can increase and decrease the brightness, and depending on the angles, I can change the angles of the gradient, as you can see. Also on this type, we can have linear, which is line, radial, we can use rectangular, we can use path, and shade from title. So let's use this radial, which looks pretty good to me. So now we have this present gradient option. Under that, we can even select their presets for the background. Hope you have understood how you can use this gradient and make your background more attractive for your presentation.